Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Regio Putan from Cavite, Philippines. A new 100 glider from 21st batch Managerial School. I am making this video because I received again an assistance from MMM. And today, December 2, 2015, I requested to get help amounting to 32,400 pesos. These 32,400 pesos are from my leader bonus for the testimonial video, and referral bonus. And also within today, December 2, 2015, I already received the whole amount of 32,400 pesos. This was given by Kevin, my managers, and Noel. To these three providers, thank you so much for providing your assistance. And I want to take this opportunity to give thanks to Sir Sergio Brody, who created this very wonderful community. Long live MMM, and together we change the world.